Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products and help you make informed decisions. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the best Modelones Fall Gel Polish set that is taking the nail art community by storm. With an impressive range of colors and a promise of long-lasting wear, this set is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their nail game this season. Let's jump right into what makes this gel polish set a must-have. The Modelones 32 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set includes 28 vibrant colors tailored for fall and winter, along with a no-wipe base coat and a glossy, matte, and glitter top coat. Each bottle contains 7 ml of gel polish, providing ample product for multiple manicures. The colors are inspired by the rich tones of the season, featuring shades like classic blacks, warm browns, bold reds, and deep purples. One of the standout features of this set is its upgraded gel formula, which is crafted with natural ingredients. This means you can indulge in beautiful nails without worrying about harmful chemicals. It's paraben-free, xylene-free, and does not contain any formaldehyde or ammonia, making it a safer choice for your nail health. The gel is designed to apply smoothly with high color saturation, ensuring a professional finish right at home. Now, let's talk about the application process. For best results, it's important to prepare your nails properly. Start by pushing back your cuticles and applying a base coat. Cure it under a UV lamp for about 1 minute or under an LED light for 30 seconds. Next, apply a thin layer of your chosen gel color and cure again. Depending on your desired opacity, you might want to add a second or even a third layer, curing in between. Finish off with the no-wipe top coat, curing once more for that shiny, salon-quality finish. What's truly impressive is that with proper application, you can expect your nails to last up to 28 days without chipping or fading. That's right, no more frequent touch-ups. This gel polish set makes for an ideal gift for friends or loved ones, whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or just because. Its beautiful packaging and the variety of colors ensure it will delight anyone who receives it. As with any beauty product, it's important to note safety information. The Modelones gel polish may cause an allergic reaction on skin contact. Always read the instructions carefully, and if you experience any irritation, discontinue use and consult a physician. In conclusion, the Modelones 32 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set is not just a collection of colors, it's a gateway to creativity and self-expression for your nails. Whether you're a nail art novice or a seasoned pro, this set offers everything you need to achieve stunning nails at home. So why not give it a try and see how it transforms your fall and winter looks? Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Drop your thoughts in the comments below about what you look for in a gel nail polish set. Until next time, happy polishing.